What is good, family? Welcome back to another episode of Jared Tries Trading. This is going to be a quick one because the day was pretty dull. Um, or maybe I was just in the wrong stocks, but let's take a look at the market real quick. See what had happened. I hope you guys had a great weekend, by the way. This is the SPY D1. We're at the SMA 100, trying to see which direction we're going to go. We're going to go back down and test the SMA 200, or are we going to get a little leg up here? And today we had a little green day. We drifted higher the whole day. Nothing real convincing, though, that was real exciting. A lot of mixed candles in here, a lot of wicks. And that kind of explains why the stocks I got in didn't really do anything either. I have a couple trades that are against me right now, but I'm going to go ahead and hold those. And we'll get into those. But yeah, besides the first 25 minutes, I mean, there was nothing stacked here. Just kind of a lot of chop. So I guess in hindsight, this isn't really like a high probability kind of environment. There is some trades to take. I mean, obviously, the pros have still made money today. But nothing real crazy that I saw. You know what I mean? I think tech is up. A lot of stuff was up today, but let's get into what I got into. So, I made enough to pay for the parking meter downtown. Very good day. I would like to be paid in quarters. 100% win rate, but that's easy to do when you open open 4 trades and only close one for a low base hit. I mean, if you look at plug, I was in it for 4 hours and the thing didn't do nothing. I could have swung it, but I don't know. I was kind of tired of looking at it. Let's get into what plug looked like. I love it. Breakout above the SMA. Looking for some follow through. Let's zoom out a little bit. Downtrend line past 200 days was broken. Not sure if these are algo lines. Oh yeah, leave in the comments what you guys think about Harry's algo line thing. Looks like I have to do some studying, but I feel like it's just another layer that's gonna confuse the shit out of me, and I'm gonna be making more mistakes trying to implement it as well. So definitely want to study it, but kind of confusing. I feel like you can draw lines anywhere, where the volume was higher and come up with whatever you want. But I need to go rewatch the videos. But anyways, plug looks kind of nice to me. Real nice breakout, good volume. So we're gonna see, if it's gonna have any continuation tomorrow. But I was in this thing for this whole damn time and it didn't do nothing. So I could have added. It was tiny position too, so took a little $15 on it. And then what else? Walmart. This one went against me right away. I think the daily's nasty now. Yep. Walmart has been strong the past week. Just stacking on an HA basis, flat bottom HA candles. So trend is intact. But we got a little doji today. And I got in, let me see what time I got in. At 11:04. So, I mean, look at these stacked green candles. To me, it looked like the strongest stock out the gate. Well, not over here, but let's see, pull up SPY. What was SPY doing? So it pulled back in the morning while SPY was going up. But once SPY kind of settled down and then started trending higher, Walmart was going with it. And I think Walmart we see it as a value stock. And I guess money's coming out of value stocks and going into growth stocks. I'm really not sure. A couple chances to exit this. But at the time, I did like the daily. I could have exited right here. I do have one contract on it. So the loss kind of grew pretty fast. Let me see. Yeah, right now I'm down 40% on it. That was pretty quick, but On the D1, I zoomed out a little bit and I see some resistance all the way back here from August 17th last year. So there's probably some bag holders up here and they're selling off, you know what I mean? And then we got this one right here. So 3 touches up here. I think if we could consolidate up here, we should be fine. But I do only have until April 14th. I did feel like the contract was kind of cheap. I got it for like $385. So max loss is $385. So we're just gonna let this one play out. See if we could get some continuation. At the end of the day, it finally came back. I'm not sure. Let's see. Pretty much at the, at the close from yesterday or Friday. So maintain the gains of Friday at least. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, and I'll look to take a pop in the morning. It might take a while for it to come back, but that is Walmart. That's pretty much the one that really went against me today. And then I got into, I was really bored today. No real excuse, but I did follow Harry into this one. The contract was cheap. How much was it? $2.14 for one contract, so max loss is $2.14. And I did like that we broke this SMA on a lot of volume. We also broke this compression right here, the high from the past like 2-3 weeks. So I did like that strength. And on the M5, it just died out after all this strength in the morning. So we're gonna give it room as well, just like Walmart. I wasn't too worried on it. I'm down 13% on it. It's like $30. I just want to be patient with the trades and let them work for me, instead of closing it out just because, looks like I'm in the red now. I better close it, and then tomorrow it's gonna go continue upwards. You know what I mean? Because I like the daily, and I don't know where the next resistance is. Broke out this is pretty good resistance right here that we broke out of, so we might have room. Maybe I'll take profits at 29 or something if we do get some follow through. So that is pins. And then I got into BSM. Love the daily, huge breakout. I think look to the left. Was there a trend line? Oops, wrong one. So that's a 200, let's see, 120. That's the weekly. So got a ways to go all the way back here. This is in 2019, was like all-time highs. I was looking for some horizontal resistance. We broke through that on Friday right here. And then the next one I'm thinking is like at this area right here. So what's that? Like room to 15, 15 at least. So I'll look to take about that much. It's a small starter position. The stock's super cheap. I think I have like 50 shares. And I took it like about an hour before the close. What time was it? 2:42. So right here in this pullback, and then I think I added at, let's see, no, that's 142. I got in at 142 over here, and then I added at 242 in this pullback, and then we got some confirmation at the end to make a new high. So I like this one. Tiny position. Tomorrow we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll take profit. Maybe I'll add to it. A lot of times up here when I get in, we got to get the pullback. So I want to get out before then. Was that the last one? BSM. Yep, that was all the trades. And then I'm still waiting on MP to come back. Today it held all the gains, so I'm pretty much break even on MP. I had a chance to get out for like plus 50, but I like the stock, and I think it's getting ready to go. Consolidating up here, yeah, it's kind of a lot of wicks at the top, so there might be some resistance up here, but it might just be normal profit taking. You know what I mean? This is still kind of consolidating up here in my opinion, so we'll see what happens. I mean, we pulled back on April 1st already, and today we had some momentum, and then sellers, profit takers came back in. So hopefully, see, we got a flat bottom HA candle today, so we'll see some trend continuation tomorrow. And yeah, pretty much up here in the morning, I was up 50. I don't know if it's greed. We'll see how the trade turns out, but pulled back, grinded all the way up again. I was up 50 again here or something, and then we pulled back again while spot was rallying actually. So that kind of sucked, but the market was pretty boring to me. So nothing crazy. Those are pretty much the trades that I still have on. I think I'm okay with swinging right now. We had the pullback. Some buyers came in to make sure we finish at the SMA 100, and today just slowly grinded back up, reclaimed half of this red bar. So I think I'm kind of bullish, but we'll just have to see. You know what I mean? A lot of us are scared right now, trying to see what the market's gonna give us. So I guess just keep it nimble still. So hopefully we have a little HA reversal coming. So that's pretty much the day. Nothing crazy, guys. Hope you guys kept it green. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, leave some comments down below. I really enjoyed chopping it up with you guys, hearing how you guys did, and definitely let me know if you have any insights to help my trading as well. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff that YouTubers are supposed to say. And I'll see you tomorrow for another video. See ya.